This also provides the ability to show visualizations like pie charts. So let's just say, show me this in a pie chart. And as you can see, it remembers the conversation. So you don't have to re-ask the question. It's going to remember your last question in the context of the conversation when doing things. And I'm purposely not asking it to do things very specifically. I'm just using very short prompts just to show you how intuitive this feature is. And as you can see here, it has now created a pie chart based on percentages. If you wanted, and it automatically comes with the ability to download the pie chart in PDF format.